रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Do you eradicate?
Do you eradicate?
Yes, I eradicate.
जी।
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he eradicates,
Okay.
and he replied that he eradicates.
Miss Fatima inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he eradicates, and he replies that he eradicates.
Do you perform?
Yes, I perform.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he
Whether he.
performs,
Okay.
and he replies that he performs.
मैं मर गया।
Do you react?
शाबाश।
Yes, I react.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he reacts, and he replied that he reacts. Replies.
And he replies that he reacts, and he says that he reacts no, and he answers that he reacts no, and he responds that he reacts, and he states that he reacts no.
Do you communicate?
Yes, I communicate.
She inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he communicates, and he replies that he communicates.
Do you think?
Do you
Yes,
think?
I think.
Very good.
She inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he thinks,
Very
and
good.
he replies that he thinks.
Do you contribute?
Very good, beta. Do you contribute?
Yes, I contribute.
जी।
She inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he contributes, and he replies that he contributes.
Do you focus?
Do you focus?
Yes, I focus.
Very good.
The student inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he focuses,
Okay.
and he replies that he focuses.
Very good. Very good. Do you explain? Yes, I explain.
A student inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he explains,
Okay.
and he replies that he explains.
Do you read?
Yes, I eat.
She inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he eats, and he narrates that he eats.
Very good. And he narrates that, and he says that, and he tells that, and he informs that, and he brings into our notice that. Clear? Very good.
Do you apologize?
Very
Yes, I
good.
apologize.
Very good. Ji. She inquires Mr. Abdurrahman ji
Mr. Abdurrahman
whether he apologizes, and he replies that
and he replies that he apologized.
he apologizes.
Do you observe?
Do you observe?
Yes, I observe.
Ji.
She inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether
He
uh,
observes. Very good.
observes, and he says that he observes.
Very good.
Do you feel nervous?
Do you feel nervous?
Yes, I feel nervous.
Very nervous.
She inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether
He feels
he feels
nervous.
nervous,
And
he replies that he is nervous.
he feels
Nervous.
Do you work?
Do you work?
Yes, I work.
जी शम्सुद्दीन शम्स मिस्टर शम्स
Mr. Shams inquires Mr. Abdurrahman
इतनी सी बात बेटा हाँ नहीं whether he works
whether he works, and he replies that
he works.
Mr. Shams asks Mr. Abdurrahman whether he sleeps, and he replies that he sleeps.
He inquires him whether he sleeps, and he replies that he sleeps.
Mr. Shams inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he runs,
Very good. Whether he
And-
runs जी
and he answers that he runs.
इतनी सी बात है बैठ जाए बेटा हाँ नहीं सर जी
Do you study?
Do you study?
Yes, I study.
Mr. Riaz inquires Mr. Abdurrahman
Okay.
whether he
Whether he studies.
Whether he studies.
And he replies that he studies. एक तो ये S नहीं होता बस ये S में इसको नहीं बस अब बस लाल हो जाएगा. Study, school, stool.
Do you drive?
Very good. Do you drive?
Yes, I drive.
Mr. Riaz inquires Mr. Abdurrahman
Okay.
whether he drives,
Very good. And he replies that.
and he replies
that he drives. Number 3.
Do you play?
Yes, I play.
Mr. Riaz inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he plays,
Very good.
and he replies
that he plays. He replies that he studies. He replies that he eats. He replies that he runs. He replies that he practices.
Do you feel happy?
Very good. Do you feel happy? Excellent.
Yes, I feel happy.
Very good.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he feels happy, and he replies that he feels happy.
Very good.
Do you research?
Very good. Do you research?
Yes, I research.
Very good.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he researches.
Whether he
Researches.
researches, whether he teaches. No, again, whether he watches, whether he pinches, whether he punches, whether he bunches.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he researches, and he replies that he researches.
Love you, my son.
Do you love?
Yes, I love.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he loves, and he replies that he loves.
Love you, my son.
Do you use mobile?
Do you use mobile? Very good.
Yes, I use mobile.
Very good.
Mr. Muhammad Mushtaq inquires Mr. Abdurrahman whether he uses mobile,
Very good.
and he replies that he uses mobile.
Do you talk with your teachers?
Very good. Ji.
Yes, I talk with my teacher.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Yasser whether he talks with
his teacher. Very good. And
he replies yes that he
talks with his teacher.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Yasser whether he loves children,
Okay.
and he replies that he loves children.
इतनी सी बात है, ये सर आपने प्रैक्टिस करनी है, आपने प्रैक्टिस करनी है, बैठ जाइए जी. हाँ. Mr. Fazl
Mr. Fazl
inquires
Miss,
Mr. Yasir
Mr. Yasir whether he
whether he क्या गलती है जी? Visits. Whether he visits जी.
whether he visits his friends, and he replies that he visits
His friends.
his
Very
friends.
good. So do you eat food with your friends?
Yes, I eat food with my friends.
जी.
Mr. Fazl inquires Mr. Yasir whether he eats food with his friends, and he replies that he eats foods with his friends. Do you get knowledge in the classroom?
Very good, beta. Do you get knowledge in the classroom?
Yes, I get knowledge in the classroom.
She inquires Mr. Yasir whether he gets knowledge in the classroom,
Very
and
good.
he replies that he gets knowledge in the classroom.
Very good. Ji number 2.
Do you eat in the kitchen?
No, I don't eat in the kitchen.
She inquires Mr. Yasir whether he eats in the kitchen, and
Okay.
he replies that he don't.
Do you communicate in the society?
Very good, beta. Do you communicate in the society?
Yes, I
Ji.
communicate in the society.
Ji.
She inquires Mr. Yasir whether he communicates in the society, and he replies that he communicates in the society.
Very good.
Do you follow Sunnah in your daily life?
Very good, beta. You follow the sunnah in your daily life.
Yes, I follow the sunnah in my daily life.
Okay. Ji.
She inquires Mr. Yasir whether he
Follows
the sunnah daily life
in his
daily life, and he replies that he follows the sunnah in his daily life.
Do you watch news bulletin
Okay.
at 9 to 9:15?
From 9 to 9:15 p.m. Ji.
Yes, I watch news bulletin from 9 to 9:50.
Very good. Ji.
She inquires Mr. Yasir whether he
Watches
the news bulletin
from 9 to 9:15.
and he replies that he watches news bulletin
from 9 to 9:15.
Do you follow traffic rules while driving?
Very good. बहुत मजे का सवाल है. Do you follow the traffic rules when? While driving, during driving, when you are on the road. ऐसी बात है ना जी.
Yes, I follow traffic rules when I am on road.
When I am on the road. Very good.
She inquires Mr. Yasir whether he follows the driving rules while he
while he is driving. Ji.
and he replies that he follows the
Traffic rules.
while he is driving.
Very good. When he is on the road, when he drives, no. Clear?
Yes.
Thank you. Honey, Ms. Rafi inquires Mr. Yasir whether he understands the lesson, and Mr. Yasir says that he understands the lesson. Ms. Rafi inquires Mr. Faisal whether he maintains his concentration throughout the session, and he replies that he does not maintain concentration throughout the session. Thank you very much. See you more.